Hi, I'm Chris, a buyer with London Drugs, and today with me...
My name's Hugh from DJI.
And today we're going to talk about DJI's latest drone, the Mavic Air. Did you bring it?
Surprisingly, it's literally right in front of
This
you.
is it?
Yep, in that little small pouch.
Oh. So size is definitely a key factor in this drone. Look at that.
Oh, totally. So basically what we did was we decided to create a drone that's slightly smaller than a Mavic Pro, but bigger than DJI Spark. Fall right in between.
And this will fly outdoors.
Oh, fly outdoor, fly indoor, wherever you want. We can fly right now if you want.
Normally with something in this size, you're going to sacrifice something in terms of the camera quality.
And that's the best part. We didn't.
Wow.
So basically, let me explain what's in this drone right now. The DJI Mavic Air features a 4K video camera recording at 30 frames per second. Of course, with video, it can do images as well at 12 megapixel.
Oh, so great resolution.
Correct. It can pretty much do everything the same as before. But most importantly is, for the DJI Spark, it's a 2-axis gimbal. What we did with the DJI Mavic Air was to put the 3-axis gimbal on, which means it can actually take a lot of smooth video with a 3-axis gimbal support.
So the camera moves in 3 directions rather than 2 and is a lot smoother for all of your high-res shots.
Yep, and that's one of the major things about the DJI Mavic Air. And with a drone this small, in order to make a complete compact package, the remote controller has to be small.
This is it here.
Yep, and that's the same one as the Mavic Pro and Spark in terms of size.
Wow.
But one of the major things we changed was after hearing a lot of feedback regarding the joysticks on the remote controller, we decided to have joysticks underneath. So that the joystick's actually tucked underneath the controller, and whenever you take it out of your back pocket, you can take it out and then put it on. And when you're done with it, you can actually remove the joysticks.
That's a very clever design.
Yep, and the whole entire point is that you can put it in your back pocket when you're rushing out the door going on your trip, and of course, putting everything in your glove compartment or your little travel bag on a carry-on.
If I've never flown a drone before, how easy is something this small and this sophisticated to fly?
The great thing about our technology is that we actually put a lot of fail-safe features on the drone itself. You'll notice that in the front, there's actually 2 holes here. These are actually sensors. There's a front obstacle avoidance sensor and a back. So when you're piloting the drone, if there's a wall in the front or in the back, it will actually stop.
So it won't hit a tree or...
Correct. It will actually detect, have a bunch of warning signs, and it just won't crash.
That's great. Well, Canadians love outdoor adventures, and with this drone's size and its photographic capabilities, this is the perfect companion to throw in a backpack and capture all of the beauty of this country. It's the DJI Mavic Air. It's available at London Drugs and londondrugs.com. Thanks, Hugh.
No problem.